Oh, careful you cross the street.
We're doing live videos like I said in my first ever video. Guys, look, I jabbed
Storage space running out. So what do we do? Cancel?
Yeah, you should press cancel.
Cancel.
See,
Okay.
look at my thumb, it's jammed, so I'm not going to be able to see really well.
All right. Do it again, Isaiah.
Get this on camera! Get this on camera!
Okay, go.
Wait, watch him! Wait.
And that was
Put it
Caden.
higher! Put it higher! Put it higher! Let me record this too! Alright, see? I want you to... Okay, aim at the hoop! Aim at the hoop!
Okay.
Oh, 29 minutes! This is gonna be an upload! Bro, are you
Okay.
seeing of this ball? Oh! I made it before, guys. Put it higher.
Okay.
I made it 4 times really well.
Okay, Isaiah, that's enough.
I mean, that's enough.
I'm going to stop recording. Give it to Victor.
What? What are you doing?
Well, get one more minute. One more minute.
Oh, I'm gonna record.
Okay. If you want to go down there, I'll record you. Okay.
Somebody get this on camera. Somebody get this on camera. Bro, you're
That's on Cameron,
10
Caden.
feet with a jam finger. Let's go. I'm gonna delete this video. A jam finger.
Okay, say goodbye.
Wait, what? Make sure to check out. I'm gonna upload a video today or tomorrow. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. Peace. Adios.